guys, what are you... No, what are you doing off my TV? Oh my goodness!
Why are you on my TV? Why do you have a hand coming out of your back, bro? Get down from there right now. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, get down. Get down. My goodness. Oh. You need to calm down and just... What are you doing? No, don't mess up my toy. What are you doing? Stop. I just had this all... Yo, chill out, bro. Chill out. Hey. You're acting like
Mr. Bean.
Big baby fun boy. All right, guys. I don't know what's the matter with this big old baby, so that's it.
This Good Friday,